Welcome to this inner parent meditation. Take 3 deep, nourishing breaths. With each exhale, imagine you are gently releasing all the tension and weight from your body. Now, allow yourself to relax completely. Simply listen to the voice of a warm, loving parent speaking directly to your inner child. My dear kid, it is so great that you exist. Having you is the biggest miracle that has ever happened to me. I want you to know how much I love you. You don't have to try to become someone else for me to like you. I like you exactly as you are. When I look at you, I think about how beautiful, smart, and unique you are. I see how much love and respect you deserve. I see how important you are to the whole world. Your value does not depend on what you do, what you have done, how much money you have, or how you look. You are my miracle, my biggest treasure, my heart and my soul. I love you when you are angry. I love you when you are sad. I love you when you are rebellious, when you are lost. My task is to soothe and comfort you. All your emotions are important to me. They all have a right to exist. I accept you with your past, your present, and your future. I accept you with all your actions and all the twists and turns of your life. And I like you and love you with all this. I see your struggles and I see how you never give up. It's amazing, and I'm sincerely proud of you. You are safe with me. I protect you and your inner world every day. I support your journey toward becoming an independent adult. But I also see your vulnerability, and I will give you as much support as you need. I deeply respect your boundaries and your right to say no. I appreciate your truth even when it is unpleasant. My manner of speaking to you will always be soft, gentle, and loving. I embrace you with love in the morning, during the day, and in the evening. I protect your sleep. I take care that you don't get overwhelmed, making sure you have enough sleep, exercise, and healthy food. I take care that you have enough of positive emotions. I'm always here for you if you need me. I'm talking gently with you, encouraging you every moment. Feel the warmth in your chest. I'm here inside your heart. And I will always be with you until the very last second and beyond. You are loved, safe, and deeply appreciated.